How to create a portfolio without having any clients. So in today's video, I'll be talking about practical steps to showcase your skills and attract real clients. So stay tuned. Let's just get into the video. Now, is it possible without clients? Is it possible to actually build a portfolio without having any clients? Yes, it is. It is very, very possible. You don't need past clients to create a strong portfolio. I'm going to show you the 6 steps to follow to build one from scratch. Okay. Now, the step 1 is carry out personal tasks. What do I mean by carry out personal tasks? You just have to start with yourself. You start with yourself by creating tasks for your own needs. Let's say, for example, now that you're a graphic designer, you can design your own logo or posters. You can showcase this as an experience you already have, because when you design your own logo and design your own posters, you are also learning from there. Okay, even if you're a social media manager, you can create strategies for your personal social media pages. Like, you can create a page and start growing it. Okay, this can be a very, very evidence that you know what you are doing as a social media manager. Now, the next one is, if you are a content writer, you can write blog posts or articles for your own interests. You can use Medium. Okay, you can even open a free blog on blogger.com. You can even use Google sites. All right, you can even use Google sites to showcase that you can write as a content writer. You know what you're doing as a content writer. All right, all this thing gives you the experience and builds your portfolio. Then the step 2 is, you can recreate a task. What do I mean by this? Like, now, if you see any task that somebody has already done for a client, you can recreate that task that that person did for his or her client. You can recreate it and know whether you can do this type of thing. And even if you don't know how to do it, that's an indication that you need to learn how to do it and practice it, because you are falling short on that. Okay, you just want to see what others have done for real clients. You create those tasks as practice. All right. Okay, it's just simple. Even if you're a graphic designer, redesign an existing logo or flyer. As a content writer, you write a popular blog post in your own style. Don't copy and paste, though, in your own style. Okay, you can read it and now rewrite it in your own style, in your own way. Okay, if you are a data entry virtual assistant, you can get the data and organize it in a spreadsheet. Okay, that's just that. This helps you gain experiences and identify areas to improve, really. So the step 3 is, do tasks for family and friends. Right, you can do tasks for your family and friends. Let's say that you have an aunt that has an Instagram page. You can go to your aunt and say, "Aunt, let me help you grow your Instagram page. I'm trying to build up my portfolio." She will willingly give you her page because you are doing it for free, and also she believes in you because you are a family member. She knows you. So yeah, you can start doing tasks for your families, your friends, your relatives, all of them. Okay, this build trust and as we project you, and they will even give you a feedback. They will even give you testimonials when you have already finished doing this kind of thing. Okay, so the fourth one is to create an ideal client. That client that you have been dreaming to work with, that your dream client, invent it. I know it's a fake one, but just invent it and now try to create a task for that client. Let's say you are a graphic designer and you want to work with a tech startup to design their logo or their brand or their flyer. You can invent this client and create a design for them. Even if you are a web designer, you can design a website for a tech brand you want to work with or any other brand that you have in mind. Okay, step 5 is volunteer. To volunteer, just find local charities, non-profit or small businesses that are still growing. Just volunteer your skills to help them. All right, like I said, if you're a content writer, you volunteer to write content for them. If you're a social media manager, volunteer to grow their page. Okay, if you are a data entry specialist, help businesses organize their data for free. And when you have already finished doing this type of job, they will give you good feedback. They will give you good feedback, good testimonial. They will even refer you. Okay, yes. Then the sixth one is you can take a 30-day challenge. Like this now, as a graphic designer, you can go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that okay, you are a graphic designer and you want to do a 30-day challenge to design things, that it should give you 30 days design challenge. It will give you different things for you to design each day. And when you are designing all these things every day, you are keeping all those things you are designing as your portfolio. It is going to be as an experience you have already have. And if you see anyone that is so hard for you to do, that's an indication that you need to work on it and practice on it for you to learn it well. This also goes to if you're a content writer, a social media, or any other thing else. Okay, so by the end you will have a strong collection of work to showcase, like 30-day challenge. You have 30 portfolios to showcase. This is a lot. Okay, so if you need help or if you need guidance, you can contact me. I'm going to leave my contact details in the description box below. You can contact me through my WhatsApp, or also subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video like this, you're going to get notified. I'm going to be seeing you next time, and if you have any question, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section. I'm going to be glad. I'm here for you. I'm here for you guys. So I'm going to be glad to attending all your questions. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.